Wow, there are so many questions.
Let's do another episode on CATIA visual scripting. It's a good question. AI is very important. Something we call predictive command. If you use, for example, the command point, CATIA will prompt you with the next more pertinent command after you have created a point. For example, a circle, because maybe the point will be the center of the circle. So this helps to speed up the creation of a design sequence thanks to AI. You might also ask me, how do you protect your IP with visual scripting? We do that. You can create a design sequence and you can block this design sequence. Nobody else will be able to modify it. Just run it as it is. Lightweighting is super important. You want to make light products. Lighter products are more sustainable. The good news, with visual scripting, you can design your own algorithm to eliminate or reduce the waste of material. I give you an example. You have a sheet metal part. You would like to know the minimum blank size of sheet metal that you will use to actually stamp the part. You can use visual scripting. You can create a box around it. You can rotate the box and find out what is the position which is minimizing the waste of material. You can use Python. Python is super important. Everybody is using Python today. For example, you can use Python to import a list of points, a list of data. You can output from visual scripting also some data that maybe you can reuse in another Python script. That's one thing. And you can also use our own scripting language in Dassault Systèmes in 3D experience. It's called EKL. EKL stands for Enterprise Knowledge Language. For example, you can use Power Copy that you design in CATIA. You can also use a user-defined feature. It's very flexible, the scope is super large, go for it.